Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again on the chart. Today, we are going to talk about 15 things not to do in Dubai. And let's go. 1. Do not use your left hand to greet anyone. When you are in Dubai, you must be careful while using your hands. You must never ever use your left hand to eat, to greet anyone, to open doors, and to hand over something, especially food items, to someone in Dubai. The reason is, in countries such as Dubai, India, etc., the left hand was used to clean up before the advent of toilet papers, toilets, and flushing water. It is, however, okay to drink with your left hand, so if you are a left-handed person, you must try to be as ambidextrous as possible in public to avoid offending and earning a rude stare from the locals. 2. Do not indulge in public displays of affection, PDA. In Dubai, holding hands, hugging and kissing in public is considered socially unacceptable, and if caught indulging in such acts, you might land up in jail. Many foreigners have already suffered the consequences. You should also avoid playing loud music and dancing in public too. It does not go down well with the locals. 3. Do not dress inappropriately. In Dubai, women are expected to dress modestly in public areas, including malls, markets, beaches, theaters, mosques, etc. So, even though Dubai is the hub of fashionable clothing, you are not allowed to wear short, tight, skimpy clothes that flash a lot of skin in public spaces. So, when you pack your bag, carry enough loose and modest clothes that cover your arms, legs, and chest so that you do not attract unwanted attention. So you are not fined for wearing indecent clothing in public areas, and so that you can stay comfortable during your trips around the city. 4. Do not cuss in public. You must be extremely careful with your language when in Dubai, especially when you are out in public or talking to a local. Control the use of vulgar language and keep all the slang, cuss words, and profanity to yourself during your visit to Dubai. Also, refrain from passing any comment that may be deemed insulting toward Islam or Muslims. It is considered a punishable offense in Dubai and might land you behind the bars, and you would definitely not like to spend your vacation in prison. 5. Do not take photographs without permission. One of the many essential things not to do in Dubai is snap people without permission. Dubai is a place of scenic beauty, and it might tempt you to take photographs as you go around the city. However, you must be extremely cautious while clicking pictures in Dubai because modesty and safety are very important to the people, and you are not allowed to take snaps of people without consent, especially if they are women and children. 6. Do not carry all your medicines. UAE has an extremely strict anti-drug policy, which means that one of the things not to take in Dubai are prescribed medicines and illicit drugs. No, not even your anti-anxiety drugs are allowed. Airports are always on high alert, and if you happen to break the rule and get caught, you can face up to 4 years in prison. And if there is a medicine that you must take along, do not forget to carry its prescription too. 7. Do not eat in public during Ramadan. If you are visiting Dubai during the holy month of Ramadan, you must know that it is forbidden to eat in public, drink, and smoke from day to dusk when the Muslims in the city are fasting. No, you cannot even snack in your car or even chew gum in public. You can, however, eat in the comfort of your hotel room or restaurants where they have screened off the eating area for guests to eat without being noticed. Children and pregnant women are allowed to eat, but it is best to use discretion to offend anyone. 8. Do not make rude hand gestures while driving. If you are in Dubai and wish to amp up the thrill, Drive a sports car around the city. There are many places in Dubai where you can rent a sports car for a day, but you need to be very careful. While it might be okay to use rude hand gestures while driving to signal the other driver and show that you are displeased with something in your country, it's not okay in Dubai. If while driving, someone or something has made you angry, you must control your anger and not use any curse words or make any rude hand gestures to offend him. 9. Do not bring prohibited items. Well, you need to be extra cautious while packing when you are traveling to Dubai because not all items are allowed in the country. To start with, if you wish to read during your journey, avoid carrying books that have adult content in it, including women fashion magazines. Next, you must not carry any products that are made in Israel, and you must absolutely abstain from carrying bacon or any pork items. 10. Do not disrespect the royal family in public. You are bound to develop certain opinions while visiting a new country, and if you are traveling to Dubai for the first time, you might have some opinion about the culture, the royal family, the laws, the politics, the people, etc. Yes, it is natural, but you must not discuss them openly in the public. It is not okay in Dubai to openly mock, criticize, or insult the royal family, the politics, the culture, the laws, and the religion in public. It is taken very seriously even if you were not, and the defaulter can be severely penalized. 11. Do not miss visiting the popular tourist spots. There are many pretty places to see in Dubai, and when you are there on a vacation, do not stay curled up in your hotel room. Go out and explore. Visit the Burj Khalifa that stands at 2,716 feet and is considered to be thrice as tall as the Eiffel Tower in Paris. If heights do not scare you, go up at the top point, which is the world's highest observation deck. Visit the Dubai Old Creek to relish the historic charisma and old-style buildings that reflect the Arabian architecture of this old town. And last, do not leave Dubai without taking the desert safari. 12. Do not stay together in a hotel if you are unmarried. Whether you are traveling from east or west, be aware that staying together even in a hotel without getting married is illegal in Dubai. A mere cohabitation can lead to jail, fine, and deportation. So, if you wish to avoid going back as soon as you check into your hotel in Dubai, make sure you're staying in different hotels if you are one of those unmarried couples. 13. Do not cross-dress. As Dubai is not that open towards homosexuality, things may not turn in your favor if you are planning a vacation to Dubai and you cross-dress. Dressing as per your gender is the rule in this land, and going against the same may cause detention by the police. In 2008, the police arrested approximately 40 tourists for the same thing. 14. Do not drink in public. Whether you wish to hold a can of beer in public and sip it throughout your journey till the next stop, or simply chill with your friends in public having alcohol, Dubai is not the place for you. Staying drunk in public and drinking in public both are banned by the law, and offending the same will lead you to penalties and jail. 15. Do not dance in public. Believe it or not, dancing in public is considered to be provocative, and if you wish to avoid some serious fines, make sure you dance at licensed clubs or within your four walls of your room. Even listening to some loud music in Dubai is banned in public and can lead to a heavy penalty if found guilty. Well, do not wait for other things in this list about what not to do in Dubai as a tourist, and try and stay well within your limits not to break any law. And ladies and gentlemen, those were all I had for you today. Do not forget to share, subscribe, liking, and of course, sharing your ideas through that comment section. See you next time. This was The Church. God bless you.